present here. I, Aruhi,
And I, Dash,
are going to present our morning assembly on Technology Can Keep Holy Spirits High by class 1, 2 and 3.
Thoughts drive your emotions. What you think, you become. So let's hear this wonderful thought. It is fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. Bill Gates.
Hey, Aruhi, do you know which festival is coming?
Yeah, Dash, celebration of colors, celebration of friendships.
It's
Holi! Let's enjoy the Holi song. What are you doing right now?
Aruhi, I am making a project by using a new technology, which is Canva, for a colorful festival, Holi.
Canva? What is this?
Aruhi, Canva is a fantastic graphic design online tool which can be used to make very cool visual content. I will show I will show one project made by class 2 student on Canva. Let's watch it.
Holi, the festival of colors, got its name from Holika, the sister of demon king Hiranyakashyap. Hiranyakashyap worshipped Lord Brahma and got boon that he could not be killed by man or animal, day or night, in or out. He became arrogant about his powers and declared that no one would chant God's name. They have to worship Him only. But the story takes a twist. His own son Prahlad becomes devotee of Lord Vishnu and always chants Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha. This made Hiranyakashyap furious. He ordered to kill Prahlad. He tried to drown him in ocean, put him among poisonous snakes, drop him from hill, but Prahlad kept chanting Vishnu name with belief on him and always escaped from death. Hiranyakashyap finally asked his sister Holika to set on fire, taking Prahlad on her lap, as Holika had a boon that fire could not burn her. But Lord Vishnu saved Prahlad and Holika got burned. Then Hiranyakashyap decided to kill Prahlad himself. Finally, Lord Vishnu appeared as Narasimha, the half-lion and half-man avatar, and killed Hiranyakashyap in evening at the door frame. Thus, the good won over the evil. What we also learned from the story is, with faith, impossible becomes possible. And we got festival to enjoy with colors, sweet, music and dance. Holi hai! Wow, that's simply awesome. But Darsh, now I have a doubt that you have used the word technology. What is technology?
Arohi, technology is defined as the application of scientific knowledge and tools for practical purposes to meet human needs to solve problems. It improves and simplifies our lives.
Okay, now I understand. So, our friends of class 1 and 2 have done a survey on that, how we are using the technology in our schools to keep ourselves updated. Let's enjoy this video.
Hello everyone! Class 1 and 2 has conducted a survey on technology in our school. So let's begin. Do you play or like an iPad or a tablet? Yes, I have that. So why that the only thing important in your life? Because it helps you to learn about how to understand it. Fair enough, that is important.
Do you think technology is important? Yeah, it helps us. Why? I think technology is good and helpful. Like it is good way to communicate with people.
How effectively have you used technology to enhance your learning experience in your IT class?
I prefer to use interactive multimedia content such as videos, animations, and games to learn complex topics in an engaging way. The use of digital tools, online collaboration tools, and effective use of other technology tools has made our IT classes more engaging, interactive, and resulting in a more positive and fruitful learning experience. Thank you for your valuable answer.
Wow! Wow, our friend really worked hard to put up this work in front of you.
Now we are concluding our assembly with this foot tapping and lively rap.
Yo, what's up? We are Techno Kids.
Yo, wisdom kids, let me tell about tech. It's all around us.
It's what we expect.
From phones to tablets, computers to games, we use them.
They're not all the same.
Tech is cool. It's always new. It's fun to learn
And easy to use.
A click, a tap, or a swipe. Use this tech
Day and night.
Computers are awesome. They're really fast. They can do so much and easy to grab. We use them for home, research, and play. They help us learn
Every single day.
Gaming is fun. It's such a huge blast. From Mario to Minecraft, it goes by so fast. Controllers or keyboard is easy to use. We play with friends.
It's the best excuse.
Yo.
Now, I request our respected Shalini Nambia ma'am to shower her blessings on us.
Good morning. Happy Holi. What a beautiful assembly. So let's give a big hand to them. Just wanted to give you two informations. You spoke about Canva, right? So do you know who founded Canva? There was a girl called Melanie Perkins. She was only 19 years old with no knowledge of computers, only an ambition because her mother was a teacher and the mother used to make, yearbooks by hand, the whole, the whole yearbook for the school. So she decided she wanted to find a solution, and that is how she founded Canva at the age of 19. Today, she is a billionaire, but she worked very hard along with her husband, I think, or a partner, and they were rejected 1,000 times. Nobody wanted, when they went to New York, they wanted to get an investor, everybody rejected. So children, very important. Canva, we all use, even I have used it a lot. It's, if your dreams are big and if you work hard, you will always achieve it. But you should not be rejected by failure, because failure is an opportunity to learn something new. So we have Holi, right? And Holi is a beautiful festival of colors. But children, be very careful. Don't use balloons. It can, I've known people who can't hear because a balloon burst, some children threw it at random. Don't use dirty colors. You can make colors at home. You can use haldi, atta, these are organic colors, because if a chemical which is found in the colors in the market goes into your eye, your eyes can go off for the longest time. You can't see. So you have to be very careful. Holi is a beautiful festival. All you need to do is to, I've seen people, they play such bad Holi. You need to put just a tika and take permission before putting any color. If the person says, no, please don't put color, do not do it. That is called humanity, that is called being human, and that is called being intelligent, smart. So don't do it. And what do we learn from Holi? We learn, the most important thing we learn, just one second, burn your neck. How are kids roaming around at this time, teachers? Aren't they supposed to be in the assembly? These are small kids. Which class? She's gone out. Burn your negative thinking. Just now, can you just close the door, please, for 2 minutes? Hiranyakashyap story you saw. He symbolizes negative thinking. And children, a lot of people, when they think negatively, they are not able to, they spoil the whole atmosphere, they spoil the whole environment. And negative people, negativity comes. Why are people who want to put others down? Because they are insecure. They are not very confident of themselves. So if you believe in yourself and if you're doing good, then you'll never harm anybody. So Holi teaches us that burn all negativity. It teaches you perseverance. Perseverance means working very hard. Prahlad epitomizes perseverance. He did not give up despite, being subjected to cruel treatment by Hiranyakashyap. He kept working hard and he did succeed. Except, why do we use different colors, right? Raise your hand if I can see that you're understanding what I'm saying. Different colors means accept people with their positivity and negativity. Everybody is different. We are all not same. Do we all look the same? No, we don't look the same, right? We have different features. We have different eyes, different hair. We should respect all of us. It is called bullying when you call somebody who's fat or somebody who's thin or somebody who's dark. Don't use bad language. So you should learn from these festivals. Very important, forgive and forget. If somebody has harmed you, just forget about it and move forward. It is a beautiful festival, children. Again, I'm repeating, wishing you all and your family members, everybody who's here, a very happy Holi. But don't put colors on people unless you have taken permission. And don't use bad colors. Don't throw balloons, please. It's really bad. I want to tell you, I don't want to scare you, but there was a baby who was just 9 months old and his parents, they were playing Holi. It was very bad Holi. This happened near my house long time back, and the parents had their faces colored with black paint. And the kid was, when the kid saw his parents, he was in a shock. He lost his speech. He couldn't speak. So you have to be very careful because there are babies around, there are old people around. You can play Holi with your families, but with permission. Okay? All the best. Happy Holi. Holi Hai.
Stay tuned to Radio Spark, the voice of Jaipuria, where you talk and the world listens.